Kindiedays lesson plans, Q&A edition. 1. What curriculum is used?
Kindiedays lesson plans are designed according to the Finnish National Core Curriculum, covering 166 objectives across 5 learning areas, easily adaptable to any international curriculum.
2. How many lesson plans will I receive and for what age groups?
You will receive 300 lesson plans spread across 3 levels. Level 1 is tailored for 2 to 3 year olds, Level 2 for 3 to 5 year olds, and Level 3 for 5 to 6 year olds.
3. What themes are covered?
Kindiedays lesson plans explore 9 captivating themes, including animals, space, transportation, and much more, plus a dedicated package for special occasions.
4. What is in each lesson plan?
Each lesson plan includes an introduction, preparation details, activity steps, and over 200 printables for teachers and children.
5. Are the lesson plans easy to follow?
The activity steps are detailed and easy to follow, guaranteeing that every teacher can seamlessly implement the lessons in the classroom.
6. Which activity materials are used?
The materials needed for the activities are simple, and recycling materials are commonly used.
7. Is planning guidance provided?
Say goodbye to hours of planning. Kindiedays lesson plans come along with an academic calendar and planning guide for seamless organization.
8. What is the lesson plan's format?
Kindiedays lesson plans are in a soft format, accessible via your Google Drive. Easily print the plans or selected printables as needed.
9. Is additional support available?
You can access the lesson plans along with our workshops accommodating up to 50 participants.
10. Is a consultation call available?
You can schedule a free consultation call to delve deeper into the intricacies of the Kindiedays lesson plans. Happy teaching!